Want me to get you a beverage?
You know, it's so cool that we're really up here in space, man. It's not at all like I thought it would be.
What do you mean, dude?
I just didn't know it was so angry out here.
Who the heck are you?
We are all super intelligent ham.
Sometimes we choose to take other forms. It amuses us to do so.
Where am I?
Welcome to the realm of the infinite.
Here we all are growing at an infinite pace, and therefore are condemned to spend eternity together.
Until y'all outgrow the entire universe.
So I'm gonna be here a while. Then I may as well be comfortable. You, go get me a chair. You, get me some age-appropriate DVDs. And you, make yourself useful and squeeze me some orange juice. I like it fresh.
Foolish little boy.
Y'all should know that we don't have no chairs or DVD players. Or oranges.
They would instantly become too small to be of any use.
Well, we've got, I don't know, eternity. How about you get cracking on inventing an infinitely growing DVD player?
Certainly you are kidding.
Does this look like my kidding face? That's right. You better run.